He always stay there for me. He helps me, he gives me some advice. When I have a problem, I know he can always help me. I am very proud of him. And this 21st, I want to greet all the fathers, and I want you to spend a happy day with your families.
And I want to greet special for all the fathers, and I want to greet a special person that is my father. I'm very proud of him, and I know that I need him. He always is for me. Another special person is my husband. I love so much. I know that he works a lot every day, but this special date I'm going to prepare with my children surprise, and I want to say Happy Father's Day.
Hello guys, my name is Eduardo and I am studying in Natural English. This is my second month. I am 60 years old. I am a father. I have 2 daughters and 1 son. I am going to celebrate with my family. I want to greet to all fathers, and I hope you enjoyed this special day.